How to fix Roblox mobile keeps crashing. This one is for Android and also for iPhone. So what you want to do if you encounter this kind of problem that whenever you press this green button here or whenever you play Roblox, it keeps on crashing. First thing to do is to simply open that game or open a specific game, and you have to locate this Roblox icon. And then what you want to do here is to simply look for settings. And under settings, you just have to simply change something here like your graphics. Okay, from automatic, you can change this to manual. Also for this, what we call full screen, you can also change this to from off to on. Okay, so do some changes here under settings because this is one of the reasons why you encounter crashing. Sometimes the settings here or something here is not compatible with your phone, okay, with the settings of your device. So you have to simply reduce this graphics quality, okay. You can also change this full screen from off to on and then graphics mode and something like that. Now, once you're done with this, you can also check if some applications are running. You have to close all applications and make sure that Roblox or this application is the only one running on your device. Okay, so I really hope that after doing this, it will somehow fix the problem. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.